Hello everyone, I'm Ramesh from Besant Technologies BDM Layout branch. I'm excited to present here yet another placement success story. Today, one of our students, Miss Deepa, got selected as a data analyst in a reputed company. Now she is going to share her training and interview experience.
Hello everyone, myself Deepa. I am from Hosur. I recently completed my BTech Information Technology in PR Perumal College of Engineering in 2026 passed out. After that, I am very interested in data analyst domain, so that I joined in Besant Technologies for Data Analyst Course, where I learned Excel, SQL, Power BI and Python. Here they are teaching everything from the basics, so that I gained a very good excellent knowledge from here. After the course completion, they conducted the mock test and mock interview. It will be very useful to crack my interviews. Now I got selected for a data analyst role in a reputed company. Thanks for Besant Technologies BTM branch.